Hi friends, welcome in Foodsure Machine. As you know, the demand of plant-based food will increase rapidly in India as well as across the world. From soya chunks to protein snacks, the process is started from the extruder machine. So friends, the process is started to blend the product, and from this machine, we blend the product like the protein isolates as well as soya flour. After the blending of product, we put the raw material into this extruder machine, and through control mechanism system, we feed the product into it. In the extruder machines, we have the screw-based technology which combine the pressure, temperature, and the moisture level of the product. The entire process is made for the industrial use. In this extruder, we use to make the different type of soya chunks according to their sizes. We have the different dies to make it. Different die configurations allows the manufacturer to make the different products in this extruder machines with different sizes. Extruder product is passed through the drying machine. In this drying machine, we reduce the level of the moisture in the product. Due to that, we get the better shelf life of the product as well as get the better quality into the product. In this machine, we get the higher capacity, the continuous product quality, reduced manpower as well as low production cost, excellent flexibility, multiple products. The products which we make from these machines is soya chunk, plant-based meats as well as protein snacks. Start or scale your plant-based protein business. So the Foodsure gives you the turnkey solution into it, from extrusion to the packaging process. In this process, we include extrusion process, seasoning process, as well as the packaging process. So contact Foodsure today and make your business scale in this high protein business. Foodsure Machines, engineering the future of food processing.